A driver of a car is traveling negative 15 meters per second and applies the brakes, causing a uniform deceleration of positive 2.0 meters per second squared. If the brakes are applied for 2.5 seconds, what is the final velocity of the car? Now once again, don't let the negatives and the positives confuse you. Let's just apply the math. Now, if the car is traveling at negative 15 meters per second, that means that my car, which is right here, windshield, is traveling in that direction. It's traveling backwards at negative 15 meters per second. There's Mr. Fay in a sports car. So my velocity initial is negative 15 meters per second. And then my acceleration is a positive number, positive 2.0 meters per second squared. That simply means that I'm traveling backwards and now I start slowing down. I have a time of 2.5 seconds. The question is, what is my velocity final? The units is going to be meters per second. The equation that I could use is acceleration equals velocity final minus velocity initial over time. If I apply numbers for letters, acceleration is 2.0 positive equals, I don't know what velocity final is, minus, and in this case, a negative 15. All of this over 2.5. Now, I can multiply the right-hand side by 2.5. Cancel, cancel, in order to get 2.5 out of the denominator, but whatever I do to the right, I have to do to the left. So if I simplify the left-hand side, I get 5.0 equals, and actually if I simplify what's on top of the right-hand side, velocity final, and if I subtract a negative number, that makes it a positive number, plus 15. In order to get VF all by itself on the right-hand side, I will subtract 15, and in essence, these blow up. But whatever I do to the right, I have to do to the left. And so I get a number negative 10.0 equals velocity final. Now, if I want to apply significant figures correctly, I need to figure out, and right here, this has two significant figures, this has two significant figures, and this has two significant figures. So my answer is going to have two sig figs, and it will be negative 10 meters per second, or negative 10 decimal meters per second. They both mean the same thing. Now the negative sign means that the car is going backwards still.